Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 7 book. Today I will start the new chapter. Okay. And the name of the chapter is Dara the Good. Dara is referred here as the leader. Okay. Long ago, there lived in Iran in a small hut on a hillside a shepherd by the name of Dara. So long ago time in Iran, okay, Iran is the name of country, and in a small hut is a single storied house, single story house, which is on the hillside. Hillside, we know, the sloping side of a hill. This house was on there, and a shepherd was living, and his name was Dara. Shepherd is called a person who tends and rears sheep. Okay, sheep. Like many other shepherds in those days, he had never learned to read and write. So that time shepherds were not learning how to read and how to write. But he was a good and kind man, and with age and experience had acquired also a great deal of practical wisdom. And this Dara was good and kind man also, and with age also and experience also he has gained some great deal of practical wisdom. Okay, means he has got an actual practical means a concern of actual doing, and wisdom is meaning the quality of having experience. Okay, this he has gained, the Dara. The people living in the village nearby often came to him in their troubles. The people in the village having some trouble, then they were coming many times with their trouble to Dara. He helped them in sympathy, with sympathy and sound advice. In course of his, so Dara would help these villagers, okay, with sympathy. Sympathy means a feeling of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune, and he would give a sound advice, means a sensible advice he would give. In course of time, his reputation as a friend of the poor spread far and wide, and he came to be known as Dara the Good. And by the time, his reputation means the opinion that generally held about something. Okay, his reputation as a friend, that he was a friend for the poor, spread far and wide also, and he was called to be Dara the Good by this name. But Dara did not forget even for a moment that he was still a humble shepherd, whether he was watching over his flock of sheep on a hillside pasture or trying to solve the problems of the villagers. So Dara did not forget even for a moment. Okay, means in a brief period of time that he was still he was a humble shepherd. Humble means showing a very low estimate of one's importance. Okay, so that Dara did not forget that he was a humble shepherd, whether he was watching over his flock of sheep on a hillside pasture or trying to solve the problem of the villages. He always wore an old sheep skin cloak over his ordinary clothes. So when he was watching over his flock, means a number of flock is called a group of sheep. Okay, collection of sheep is called a flock, which was grazing on the hillside. Hillside, you know, the sloping side of the hill. A pasture. Pasture is a land which is covered with grass, okay, or low plants that is used for grazing, suitable for grazing animals. Trying to solve the problem, and he was trying to solve the problems of the villagers. He always wear. So he was wearing an old sheep skin cloak, means a sleeveless outdoor ornament that hangs loosely from the shoulder. That is called cloak that he was wearing over his ordinary clothes. This was a constant reminder to him of the poverty and the humility of his occupation. So these clothes reminding him this clock, okay, that he was in poverty, means okay, that he was a poverty and he was humility of his occupation, means he was very quality of low importance is called humility of his occupation, of his job. By and by, the news of Dara's success as a popular advisor reached the ears of the king, and the king had fallen upon evil days. So the news of Dara, that Dara was very successful as an advisor, reached to the ears of the king. King also heard, and the king had fallen upon evil days, and that evil days came to the kings. Okay, evil means wicked days. On account of the disloyalty of some of his ministers, there was a content and even revolt in the country. So, on disloyalty means they were not loyal. Okay, and of some of his ministers, and there was also a discontent means they were dissatisfaction with one's circumstances, that is called discontent, and even revolted means they were taking a violent action against the ruler in the country. He needed the advice of a wise and a good man who could save the kingdom from disaster. So he needed a wise advice. Okay, he needed an advice of a means he needed a guidance of a experienced person. Okay, and a good who could save the kingdom. Who would save the kingdom? Kingdom is called, okay, kingdom is a country which is ruled by the king from disaster, means sudden accident. He therefore summoned Dara to his palace. So he ordered Dara to be present to his palace. So the king was struck by the sincerity and common sense of the simple shepherd and decided to make him the governor of a small province. So the king was struck, means the king struck by the sincerity, that he was the absence of pretense desired is called sincerity, and common sense means he was having a good sense and sound judgment in practical matters. Okay, of a simple shepherd, the shepherd possessed, and he decided that he would be the governor of the small province. Then he will govern. Okay, governor means an official appointed to govern a town. Province is a principal administration division of country. It was a great deal of hesitation and reluctance that Dara accepted the king's offer. Okay, Dara hesitated also. Hesitated means the action of pausing before saying something. Okay, and reluctance means unwillingness. That Dara accepted the king's offer. He was unwilling to accept the king's offer, but though he was not quite happy in his new post, he was not happy in his new post. The people of the province were overjoyed to see that their friend and advisor had become their governor. So the people were very much overjoyed, means they were very much happy to see that their friend and earlier his advisor now became the governor. They were very much happy. Instead of moving about on foot, Dara now rode on horse. So Dara was riding on horse. He was not walking on foot. Okay, but apart from this, there wasn't hardly any change in his former mode of life, but separated from a specified distance. Okay, that's called apart, and there was hardly any change, means scarcely any change in his former mode of life. Means former means having previously been a particular thing. Former mode of life means former way of life, means his way of life doesn't change by becoming a governor. He still had his humble dwelling by the hillside. Okay, he was still humble. Okay, to in his house. Okay, his meals were as simple as before, so he was eating a simple food as he was eating earlier. So that's all.